Hello, trader. Hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So, looking at British Pound US dollar and Euro dollar, both of these instruments currently showing significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, first let's quickly look at higher time frame, starting with British Pound US dollar, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. Now, from the monthly, we can see that after previous monthly bearish candle this month, the market has got a bounce to the upside, and with the monthly opening we saw, without breaking the previous monthly low, there was a significant bullish move, which is in fact a big move to the upside, and the market is coming down for a deeper pullback at the moment. I'm expecting for this market to drop further, and I think that we might see deeper drop before bouncing back to the upside. If we look at the weekly chart to see how the price is doing, we can see there is a weekly bearish candle, and this is the weekly impulse followed by deeper pullback. If we take Fibonacci from low to the high, we can see the market is at 38.2% Fibonacci pullback, and I think that we might see a golden ratio retest on the weekly perspective on GBPUSD. So there is a potential for further downside. Now, as you can see, this is the weekly candle so far showing bearish pattern, and less likely what I think that British Pound US dollar will be able to bounce in that direction. Rather, we could see drop down to the support level. So there is a probability for downside from the weekly as well on British Pound US dollar. Now, dropping down to the daily chart to see how the price is doing, we saw that there was a daily doji formation. This daily doji is very important, as with this daily doji, the market has grabbed that liquidity from this resistance. And today we saw that after a little bit of pullback to the upside, the sellers started to sell, and we see that there is a drop, pullback, liquidity grab, and another drop. So the market might keep pushing down on British Pound US dollar. As this price has broken from the resistance, I think that we might see ultimately the price finally could come back to this support level. So long term picture from the daily, I think British Pound US dollar may remain bearish. So from the 4 hour perspective, just candle close to, we can see that there is a doji, and this doji, in this bearish market, there was a pullback to the upside, and we saw back to back 2 4 hour candles closed. The price crossed that high, grabbed the liquidity, and we can see the market slowly breaking below in the direction. So this is a big drop pullback, expecting British Pound US dollar to come back down to the support level for long term picture. So this is where, as we are running a trade, we'll be waiting for further entry opportunity. As soon as we will find suitable entry on British Pound US dollar, we'll be looking for going short with a high probability trade setup. Now let's look at euro dollar. Let's see what kind of opportunity we have. Looking at the monthly chart on euro dollar, we can see from the monthly, this is the monthly bullish price action. There is a monthly bullish engulfer. The price has formed series of higher low on the monthly, which is we have seen significant bullish move on euro dollar. Looking at the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly there was a doji followed by the market open with a gap, and we can see the market started to drop again to create a new lower low on the weekly perspective, expecting for the price to drop further downside. Now looking at the daily chart on euro dollar, we can see there is a head and shoulder completion. Probably you guys have seen the weekly forex forecast. This is what exactly expected on euro dollar to form a head and shoulder. And with this head and shoulder formation, what we can see that euro dollar started to change its trend, and expecting now the market to drop back to fill that gap or even to break below this level. So there is a probability, what I think, that euro dollar may remain bearish. And as you can see, the local trend is down. There was a big drop, pullback, another drop, deeper pullback, expecting euro dollar to drop down to this support level. So this is where on euro dollar, if we see a lower time frame confirmation again, we also will be looking to sell euro dollar as it is a downtrend. We will also be looking to short as soon as we will find suitable entry. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. In addition, if you want to learn the strategy that I'm trading and also be part of Forex Trading Wizard Academy, you can find link below this video in the description. You can visit the website and join us. Alternatively, you can join the free Telegram channel for more content like that. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.